You want to create a WhatsApp group so that you can have your friends or your community all in one place. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new WhatsApp group. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can create a new WhatsApp group. Let's go. First of all, open up your WhatsApp app. Then you click on the top right plus icon, click on it. And then you can see here new group, click on the new group. And then after that, you just pick someone to put into new group. All right, once you have it, then you just click next. And then you can have a group name. And then you can have different set, whether you want a disappearing message or group permission. You can just set all your permission here. Okay, whether you want to let people to edit their group settings, allow people to send you message, yes, or add all other members, invite via link or QR code, I think is quite good. And whether admin can approve new members, yes. So when you turn this on, admin must approve anyone who wants to join this group. You can turn it on or turn it off, go back. So you can have a disappearing message you want to turn on or turn off as well. It's all here. And then you just have to click. And then you see the camera icon, put it here. Then you can choose a photo or just put emoji and stickers if you want to. Alright. And then it is here. Okay. Then you click create. And the group is created. So you can add more members here. You can invite via links or QR code. So all this can be done using this group. So yeah, so that's how easily you can create a new WhatsApp group for you to have a conversation with your friends or anyone else. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.